Hello, it's Abdurrahman Yusri, and in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you, and I'm going to talk about our new script, which is the pipe design. So please open the Grasshopper. So I'm going to open the pipe design. Um, Here we can find that the nominal pipe size, so we can check the size of our pipe, and also here the schedule of this pipe, because you want that to be 40 or 100 or any schedule you want. And after that, the elbow radius, there are the short radius elbows and long radius elbows, so you can check one of these. And after that, the flange, and the flange, it has to be like the same as the pipe. So if the flange is 4, or if the pipe is 5 inches, it has to be 5 inches as well. And also here the class of the flange, can pick the class if it's class 150, 300, or 600. So let's just minimize that. Here, the specifications or the specs of our pipe. So the outer diameter is going to be 143 if it's 4 inches or if it's 5 inches. So let's just draw a pipe line, and let's check here the pipe size to be 3 inches. Okay, and also for the flange. It doesn't matter for me the thickness right now or the schedule. It can be 40s. I'm okay with that. So let's start to draw here. First, we need to make sure we're drawing in the default, okay, in the default layer, not any other layer. And let's just start to draw, maximize that, and go for the polyline. Start from the 0, and I have to make sure that my unit is in millimeters. Okay, let's start that with 1 meter, which is 1,000 millimeters. It has to be 1,900. Okay, and after that, it's going to be 1,000. All right, so then let's go to the top view. Move that 900. Just make sure you're drawing that in the ortho, or you can just hold on the shift key. Okay, then we go for the 2,000 and hit enter or right click. So here is the shape of my pipeline. Okay, there are few things I need to do, like there are 2 branches from here. So let's start with a line, start from here, and it's going to be 1950. All right, and it's like minus 750. All right, and there is another one. So to copy that, we have to press Alt and then hit the key, with, it's going to be 700. No, I need that to the other side. Hold on the Alt key, tap here, and make sure it's negative. Okay, that's what I want. And then another line from here, from the mid, is going to be 450. Okay. And then from here, it's going to be 300. But just let's move that negative 400 and another one, 400. And that's our pipe. That is the pipeline. So I want to, okay, let's keep that. So let's just select all of these and go to the layer. You can just delete all of these and create a new layer and make sure this is 1, not 6 or any other number. 1 because here it's layer 01. If you change this to layer 02, it's going to change that to layer 02. Okay. So let's pick the layer color. Let's make it blue and then change object to layer. So I'm going to change these to be in this layer. Okay, you're going to find out that it all changed, like they all changed for the pipeline, and it changed the sharp corner here into fillet. So let's just go here. Okay. I need that to be 3 inches pipe. So these pipes are 3 inches. And the elbow, I want the elbow to be long elbow, not short. Okay, I'll keep this as well. And the flange is going to be 3, but I want the flange to be 150. Okay, so that's what I want. Let's check here. Here is the thickness of the flange, the outer diameter of the flange. Here are the flange specifications. We can make that also 300. Or we can just make it 150 because the number of holes here. Okay, I want that to be 4. And the reason behind that is I want to insert this gate valve. So the gate valve here is 3 inches, 3 inches gate valve. So the outer diameter is going to be 190, and there are 4 holes, and every hole is 19 millimeter in diameter. So let's go here. There are 4 holes, okay, and the outer diameter is 190.5. So here is the 190. So that's what I want. So how can I insert this this gate valve into here? Let's just import. Okay, so after we imported this, let's just insert this gate valve into this pipeline. So first I need to know the length of between these 2 flanges. So let's go here. So the distance between them is 202.4. Right, so I go to view and measure this. Okay, 202 or 201. I think that's because from here to there. So this 202.4. So I'm going to draw a line 202.4. Hit enter. And then I need to add a 23.8, which is the thickness of the flange. So just I'll move that 23.8, which is the thickness of the flange. All right. So I need to put two here and one here and also another one here. Okay. So I'll pick that, rotate 90 degrees, and take that copy. First, second. And another one here. All right. So what I want to do is to move it like it's about 300 or 500, I don't remember. Negative 500. Okay. And the other one is also the same. While here, I need that to move negative 450. Okay. And the last one is going to be here, which is vertical. Just copy that. All right. And move it forward, or I just can move to the center, to the mid. Okay. And then I'll go to the split tool and pick point. He asked me to select the curve to be split. I need that one. So I'll split from here and there. And also the same for that. The end. The end. Okay. And hit enter. It did nothing, right? It feels like it did nothing, but it actually did. I'm going here to delete the original curve in the blue layer. Delete that one. Okay. Here it made two flanges and another one here. Delete the blue curve. That's how it looks. So I'm going to do the same here. Split point. The end. And here the same. The end. Let's delete the blue curve. All right. So we finally here. So what if I want to make two flanges here to connect these pipes together? So I need two flanges here. So the thickness of the flange is 23.8. I go here, type line, I start and type 23.8. Okay, so that is the one. Let's move it to 600. Okay, 600 is fine. And then I go with split the point. And the end of these two of this line, and then I'm going to delete that. And here we go, the flanges has been made. So that is the pipeline script. I hope you guys like it. You can find it on the Gumroad if you want to buy it. And just tell me your opinion in the comments down below.